Today we are going to discuss about the hybridization. Hybridization that is very important topic in chemical bonding. Generally, we are discussing about hybridization that is two atomic orbitals. Two atomic orbitals that is intermixing with each other to form at least equal number of hybrid orbitals are found. For example, first one sp hybridization, that is intermixing of one s orbital, one p orbital to form equal number of, that is two sp hybrid orbitals will form. Next, for example, if you take one s orbital and also two p orbitals, that is three sp2 hybrid orbitals will form. That is equal number of hybrid orbitals will form. Next, coming to sp3 hybridization. sp3 means one s orbital and three p orbitals, that is equally intermixed with each other and also form four sp3 hybrid orbitals will form. What is the hybridization? That is phenomenon of intermixing of at least two or more atomic orbitals. Two or more atomic orbitals means s, p, d and f orbitals having same energy after reshuffle their energies and also redistribute their energies and also form equal number of hybrid orbitals. That is the phenomenon, means that is the process. How it is intermixing, for example, one s orbital, one p orbital, that is the sp hybridization. One s orbital and two p orbitals, that is the sp2 hybridization. One s orbital and three p orbitals, that is equal number, that is four sp3 hybrid orbitals. Now we are going to discuss about what is the examples. That is sp hybridization, that is BeCl2 and also BeF2. Also we have to take the example BeF2. Okay. What is the process? For example, beryllium electron configuration, that is 1s2 2s2. And also chlorine electron configuration, that is neon 3s2 3ph2 3py2 3pz1. But in hybridization process, at least that is one unpaired electrons that is very necessary to, that is bond formation. But actual electron configuration, there is no unpaired electron. That is need to promote the electrons from lower energy level to next energy level. That is 1s2 and 2s1 2p x1 2p y0 2p z0. Now, after promote the electrons from lower energy level to higher energy level, that is the excited state electron configuration, beryllium also available of two unpaired electrons. These two unpaired electrons directly intermix with, that is 3pz electrons of the two chlorine atoms. Two chlorine atoms and also form equal number of hybrid orbitals. This is one hybrid orbital, this is another hybrid orbital. In hybridization only forms sigma bond. Sigma bond how it is formed, that is inter. For example, beryllium form, that is two sp hybrid orbital. This is one sp hybrid. This is one sp hybrid orbital. This is another sp hybrid orbital. That is sigma bond will form, that is sigma p and sp. This is P belongs to chlorine, Sp belongs to beryllium, and also this is Sp belongs to beryllium, P belongs to again chlorine. And also what is the shape of the molecule? That is linear shape. The shape is linear, and also bond angle is 180 degrees. Bond angle is 180 degrees. Next one, coming to sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization means one s orbital and two p orbitals, that is intermixed with each other and also form equal number of three sp2 hybrid orbitals. For example, that is boron trichloride and also boron trichloride. Also to take the examples. For example, this is also same. For example, boron electron configuration 1s2 2s2, that is 2px1. Chlorine already one unpaired electron is there, but how many chlorines are there? 3 chlorines. That means need to available of two more electrons. That is after promotion of the electrons from lower energy, that is 2s2 2px1. After promote the electrons from 2s that is electron configuration that is changed to 2s1, 2px1 and 2py1 and 2pz0. After available of 200 electrons in the boron, that is 300 electron, that is 2s1 electron and 2px1 and 2py1. These three orbitals are intermixed with 3 chlorines and also form, this is the sp2 hybrid orbital of boron and this is p orbital of each chlorine, that is 3 chlorines. That is after intermixing, this is also form sigma bond. Why sigma bond only form? That is internuclear reaction, that is completely overlapping of one orbital to another orbital. Next, finally, it is coming from, that is sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization means one s orbital to 3p orbital, that is 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. In sp3 hybridization, that is if you take number of examples, that is the methane and water molecule and ammonia. First, we have to discuss about the methane. Methane means, that is the formula CH4, and shape is, that is tetrahedral. Tetrahedral, already you know that is the bond angle 109 degrees and 28 minutes. This is also formed. This is sp3 hybridization. This is methane. One s orbital, 3p orbital. That is this is central atom, that is carbon. Remaining 4 hydrogens. Hydrogen contains only 1 electron and also shape of the hydrogen, that is spherical. That's why only each hydrogen contains only 1 electron. That is 4 electrons. That is 4 unpaired electrons of the 4 hydrogens. That is intermixed with, that is 4 electrons in the carbon, that is to form 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. That is the shape of the methane, that is tetrahedral, bond angle is 109 degrees, 28 minutes. Same hybridization, not only water and also ammonia also same hybridization. But water contains 2 lone pairs, ammonia contains only 1 lone pair. Due to presence of the lone pair in the central atom, that is nitrogen 1 lone pair, that is the repulsion between, this is the lone pair, this is bond pairs. That is bond angle, that is actually bond angle 109 degrees. That is changed to 107 degrees 47 minutes. Next, finally, water. That is ammonia contains only 1 lone pair, that is more repulsion between the lone pairs and bond pair. That is bond angle changed to 109 degrees 28 minutes to 107 degrees 47 minutes in ammonia. But water molecule contains 1 more lone pair, that is more repulsion than ammonia, and also bond angle, not only bond angle and also shape of the molecule also, that is same. This is ammonia cell, that is pyramidal cell. Pyramidal cell. In water molecule already you know, that is V shape, or angular shape or band shape. Okay. Once again, recap the hybridization. Hybridization means just we have to intermixing of at least 2 atomic orbitals combined to form same number of hybrid orbitals. Hybrid orbitals also containing, that is degenerate orbital. Degenerate orbitals means containing same amount of energy. For example, first one sp hybridization. One s orbital, one p orbital intermix with each other and also redistribute and recycle their energies and also form equal number of 2 sp hybrid orbitals. What is the examples of sp hybridization? That is comes under BCl2 and BF2. To take the example, what is the shape of the BCl2? That is linear, bond angle is 180 degrees, and also sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization also 1 s orbital, 2 p orbital. That is after intermixing and redistribute and recycle their energies and also form 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. Examples BF3 and BCl3. BF3 only explain, this is BCl3. Instead of chlorine, you have to write chlorine also. That is also belongs to same group, same structure and same overlapping and same bonds also. This is available. Next, coming to sp3 hybridization. This is 3 examples in there. First one methane. Second one water molecule. Last one, that is ammonia. sp3 hybridization also 1 s orbital, 3 p orbitals intermix with each other, and also 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals. For example, if you take the methane molecule, methane also that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is intermixing with 4 hydrogens. Each hydrogen contains only one unpaired electron. This is also sigma S sp3. S means S belongs to hydrogen. sp3 belongs to carbon. Like remaining bonds also, that is only from this is also only sigma bond due to complete overlapping. And also ammonia molecule, ammonia also pyramidal cell. Pyramidal cell means this is also 3 sigma bonds. This is 3 hybridized orbitals, only one unhybridized orbital. Unhybridized means that is presence of lone pair in the central orbital. Next, coming to water molecule, that is 2 hybrid orbitals, remaining 2 unhybridized orbitals. Okay. Now, what is the shape of the methane? That is tetrahedron. Bond angle is 190 degrees, 28 degrees. Next, ammonia shape, that is pyramidal, and also bond angle 107 degrees, 47 minutes. Next, water molecule, that is 104 degrees, 31 minutes. Shape either V shape or diamond shape or bend shape. This is all about just idea about the hybridization. Very important concept. Not only in the CBET and also concourse also very important. Thank you. Thank you very much.